Ahmedabad is a city of heritage, named after the ruler Ahmad Shah. The city has some untold stories and unsolved mysteries buried in the past. One such mystery is the shaking properties of Jhulta Minar. Sidi Basir Mosque, commonly known as Jhulta Minar, is situated in the Kalupur region of Ahmedabad, a very busy area close to the city main railway station. You may wonder that what is so special about this minar, as there are many other famous minars like Qutub Minar in Delhi, Char Minar in Hyderabad. So here is the answer. None of them can be shaken by just a mere push of single person. But the scenario is completely different in case of Jhulta Minar. As the name itself suggests, Jhulta, which is a Hindi word, means shaking. The minars can be shaken manually, and by pushing a single minar, both the minars start to shake. This special feature of Jhulta Minar remained mystery for more than 500 years. But later in the 20th century, this mystery was solved by some research archaeologists. Mystery behind this structure is that it was built layer by layer and with a very special kind of stone known as Sang-e-Larja. This stone is flexible, lightweight but strong. It was brought to India from Persia. There are other minars too with similar kind of shaking properties in Ahmedabad apart from Sidi Bashir. One such minar is Raj Bibiji Masjid. It stands 78 feet tall and was built in 1450 AD. Due to its special properties, even the devastating earthquake of 2001 couldn't cause any damage to its structure. The mosque was built by Makhdoom Ma-i-Jahan, mother of Sultan Qutbuddin Ahmad Shah II, in 1454 AD. This royal lady lies buried in the mausoleum, which is situated to the east of the mosque. Its lower part are richly carved and its niches filled in with floral ornamentation of varied patterns. In the north end of the prayer hall is the Mulkhana or Royal Gallery enclosed by perforated screens. The facade of this mosque is unique in details. In addition to the three central archways, wings are in shape of a triple arched formation, having a doorway and side open windows with richly carved screens under them. The minars are massive but elegant in appearance. Top of one of the minars was deliberately broken by Britishers for research purposes and to understand its unique properties. There were several attempts made to restore the broken parts, but all went in vain. Entry to the shaking minaret was prohibited following an incident at Qutub Minar in Delhi, where a stampede resulted in the deaths of many children. It is closed since last 10 to 15 years. This extraordinary monument is highly underrated and yet to be recognized as a heritage site by Indian government. If you ever come to Ahmedabad, you should definitely spare some time to watch the beauty and elegance of Jhulta Minar.